Round one.
Moments away from the second MMA bout of the night.
Raj Barma versus Saifshan Abdullah from Maldives.
I absolutely love Raj because no matter wherever the fight is, he just comes. No cornerman, nothing. He always takes on the fight.
Raj Varma, from what I know, is self-trained.
Correct.
He doesn't have a proper coach.
He doesn't have a proper coach at all.
He has a very impressive record. It's
Absolutely.
not to be taken lightly.
Absolutely.
Rules நாங்க brief பண்ணோம். உங்களுக்கு நல்ல நடுவில் நினைச்சுக்கோங்க. Knees, elbows, no knees, no elbows to the face.
This is Saifshan's second MMA bout, coming off from an impressive win at Road to Unleashed.
Correct.
We saw how he fought at Road to Unleash also, Saifshan.
Absolutely.
Saifshan is a jiu-jitsu blue belt.
Right.
So this should be an interesting fight because
Definitely.
Raj likes to shoot for takedowns.
Yeah, Raj
Saifshan is a grappler.
Raj has been doing quite a lot of wrestling, especially in Jaffna and representing the northern province as well. Should be very interesting, Adil.
It will be absolutely nice to watch.
Here we go. Round one off the bat.
Here we go.
There goes.
Starting things
Raj
off strong.
Verma is going forward with the kicks.
Yeah.
He
Raj is
likes
not
to
hanging around.
come in.
He's not hanging around.
And Saif.
Safe trying to...
And
Oh,
Saif
straight into
takes
side
it down.
control. Straight into side control. And the mount.
Raj is about
Can
to
get his
escape
best.
from it.
Oh, Raj
And
escapes.
Raj
Good work. And he's
escaped.
holding on himself.
Immediately escape.
Fantastic work.
Reversed again by
Reverse
Saif.
again. Holding on. Nice.
Saif.
Trying to get
Saif
the back. Trying to get the
Raj's
back. Close by.
And Saif has
Oh, the
taken-
hooks
Oh,
are in.
Verma.
The hooks are in.
Raj is in deep trouble.
Big trouble if he has to keep his chin down here. He has to keep his chin down here and hold on to one of those hands.
It's a huge
The BJJ is
disadvantage
showing
for
there's
Raj
levels
Verma.
to this.
One hand
Raj
in,
Verma has locked
one
in
hand
Saif.
in,
Oh
one hand in.
my
Oh, it's in
goodness.
tight.
Oh my goodness.
He's fighting that hand. That hand gets locked in. Game over.
Raj is defending very
Raj
well.
is defending well. He's holding on to that hand.
Position here.
But he's
Those-
getting hit.
Yeah, those punches are not doing much
He
though.
needs to stand up.
He needs to stand up.
The only option for Raj to save himself now is to stand up. There's no other option here.
Landing punches over and over again. Raj is definitely in trouble here.
Save. I think his plan here is to go for the RNC. There
Oh,
is-
he's trying. He's holding on to his hand though. That is what is saving Raj at the moment.
But that's not enough. He's getting hit. Raj
Yeah.
needs to move.
Definitely, he needs to break this. The RNC is going
Raj
in.
needs to get out of this. Raj needs to get
Still
out
holding
of
on
this.
to his
If not, he's
hand.
in
Still
huge
holding on to
trouble.
his hand. But if Saifshan manages to lock his own shoulder in, that pressure is going to be insane, regardless of the alarm.
Raj will definitely feel it.
Absolutely. Here it comes in.
He has freed one
Lock
hand
is in
himself.
hard. Lock is in hard. He needs to take his arm out.
Saif needs to free that other hand in order to connect.
It's in hard. It's in hard. Raj fighting on, holding on for dear life.
Once again in the turtle.
I don't think Raj was expecting the level of grappling which Saifshan
Definitely,
showed.
definitely. If he is going to stay on the ground here, he is going to lose. He needs to break this and get back up. Absolutely, Adil. Because it's inevitable. This is not going to last forever. He's trying to hold on to the arm. That is not. It's not a strategy.
I think Raj has got both hands out. Now he's fighting.
He's got both hands
the
out, but the
dominant
lock
hand
is
here.
still there. He's got both legs locked in there.
Despite Raj defending, he's not winning the round.
Yes.
Yeah. All Saifshan has to do is hold on, reset his position.
Saif going for
Working
the elbow
hard
now.
here, working hard here.
Saif, very relaxed, very composed.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Saif having the corn on himself is also kind of an advantage.
To be fair,
for
Raj
Saif.
is chilling here. He shouldn't be at the moment though.
Saif gets the neck again on the other hand.
Maybe, just maybe, Raj must be thinking to just, ride this round off and then come back.
Come back strong in the second round.
Maybe,
yeah.
maybe.
Because Raj has some good kicks, some solid punches,
Saif
but
has
he can't
locked
stay
in
in his
also
position.
here.
Exactly.
He's locked in strong.
Well, we clearly know what Saif wants to keep on doing, and that's take it to the ground. He doesn't want to strike with Raj in any sort of way.
Absolutely. Either he needs to break the hole with the legs or he needs to turn him over.
Absolutely.
Will Saad.
Saif Shan a bit cocky there. Telling the other corner that that's not going to work on him. Holding in position. This ground control time is essential.
Saif
Still
has got
holding
the
on.
hand clearly around the neck here.
Saif can even go transition to a mount if he wants to. From
No,
this position.
absolutely, absolutely. 3/4 of this round has been held on the ground. Raj needs to retaliate at some point.
I don't think Raj can play up the whole round because we have 1 more minute left here. But so now Saif is clearly in advantage. So only option for Raj is to get out of here.
Yeah.
He cannot play this off.
One
Raj
hand locked
holding
in,
on
one
to
hand
that
locked
hand
in.
for dear life.
Correct.
Yes.
If that hand lets loose,
It's
it's done for. It's over. It's over. All right. Okay. Continue with the action.
That is the end of round number 1.
All right. So that round number 1, Adil, I don't think there's much discussion around that. It has gone to Saif Shan. Clearly
Saif
Saif Shan. But that's the thing, Raj has to keep that distance. He has good wrestling, but wrestling is only one component. From the submissions to the hold to the ground control, easy mount at the start. He needs to be careful.
Raj needs to keep it standing up.
Absolutely. In round 1, Raj should have realized that there are levels to this game and he does not want to contest head on, especially on grappling at this point in time. Adil.
Absolutely.
Just look at this. But I love that back and forth volley at the start, little wrestler versus grappler part. That was amazing. All right, round 2. Here we go. Yeah, Raj is not hanging around.
See, that clearly shows.
That's all he has to do.
That clearly shows. Raj can win if it goes
Oh, no.
standing up.
Yes,
And we're back to the ground.
we're back to the ground.
Saif is on.
He's slowly,
Afghan
full mount,
gets
full
full
mount, very
mount.
easy mount. No defense there. He's got his hooks in as well.
Safe on the mount
I
again.
wonder-
This is really bad for
He needs
Raj
to bridge
Varma.
or he needs to do something, but he can't stay in that same position. He needs to lock that leg in.
Raj seems
has
to be
taken
a
one in
bit
hand.
frustrated when
Correct. And
From this
look at the
position.
headlock. Oh, nice. Oh no.
Saif tried to go for a guillotine.
Safe has got the guillotine here.
I think he's got the
He's
guillotine.
clearly
Is
got
it
the
deep?
guillotine.
Is
No,
the
but
question.
I believe with
Oh,
Raj's
wait.
experience, you see Raj is trying to go to the other side, which defends the guillotine.
Smart move. Smart move. But there are two different levels here. He can't stay on the ground like this.
He can't afford to stay on the ground. He's going to
Absolutely
lose.
not. Absolutely not. There's a semi-lock-in. I don't know whether... No. It's not.
But for a BJJ blue belt like Saif, staying on bottom guard like this
Makes no
it's-
sense.
It's
Makes
just
no
nothing.
sense. Yeah. He's gonna recover there and then he's gonna get back up.
Raj needs to throw punches from this position.
Absolutely. Getting a small warning there, is it?
I think they will have to come into the ring because they are kind
I
of
believe
Saif
they
is out
went
of the
out
ring.
of
Yeah.
Oh, right. Okay. Got it.
Same position, right in the middle of
Same
the ring.
position.
Now Raj Varma might know what to do. He's prepared now.
And here we go. Back to the action. Held on close there.
What Raj needs to do right now is just stack up and start throwing punches.
Absolutely.
Close
That
guard
is
is
going to
also huge
automatically
disadvantage.
open up Saif's guard.
He's trying to
In the
sweep
butterfly.
him with the butterfly.
Saif attempting for a butterfly sweep. Raj is way too experienced for that.
Raj is trying to go for the mount here because he knows only the mount can save him or standing up.
Oh,
And
he's
for the leg.
going for a leg
He's
lock.
going for the leg
He's
drop.
gotten a leg lock.
Saif breaks it
Raj
up.
attempting for a leg lock.
Gotten a leg lock. Oh,
Saif
he
is
was
on again.
so close to a
Saif
leg lock there. He was so
beautifully.
close to a leg lock.
He can go for a heel hook from here.
He's got one in though.
Oh, that's
my
a bad
goodness.
punch on Raj Verma there. Saif goes.
Back in that
Saif has
position,
taken
side control
advantage
mount,
again.
easy
Oh,
mount,
Raj
easy mount,
again.
easy mount there.
This has to be frustrating for Raj.
He is trying to turn him. No luck. With those hooks in, no luck.
Raj
You can see Raj holding on to Saif's head. That's not going to do anything.
Nothing.
He needs to push Saif's knees off. and get
Absolutely,
half guard
absolutely.
and
At this
work from
point,
there.
Raj is just trying to survive. You can see it on his face as
He
well.
is.
But
Saif
he's
has
going to
clearly won this
start
round
landing punches
by
soon.
throwing punches and being on the mount.
If technique can't save you, Raj just needs to just explode and just stand up. He needs to do something here.
Absolutely.
indeed.
Saif Shan's cardio is holding up, no problem. I don't see him breathing hard.
No.
Not at all. And this is the beauty of grappling in Sri Lanka. You can see these levels from the Maldivians to all of this region. It's improving heavily. And it's a clear indicator to the Sri Lankan talent. Like all of these talents that we have, experienced talent, but they need to level up on their grappling game.
Absolutely. I believe in Sri Lanka, grappling is overlooked compared to the other styles of fighting.
And that's
you
it.
can
Showers
see
of
Saif
punches
Those
on
punches,
Raj
those
Verma.
flurry
hammer
of
fists are landing
punches from
down.
the mount.
He's still holding on. He's still holding on for dear life.
Saif
Holding
is
on is
going
not going to
on.
do anything good
Yes.
to you.
And Raj is not giving up here.
He's not giving up. Oh, he's holding him down as well. Is
Raj
he going
is
to pick him up and
fighting for his
slam him? No, almost.
yes.
That would have been
Almost. That would be wonderful.
I think Raj
Raj needs to land punches.
Raj
It's not
is
going to work.
not giving up at this moment. All he
Absolutely,
wants is to
absolutely.
hold
That
up.
fighting spirit is there.
Yes.
They need to reset that inside.
That reverse was beautiful.
Once again.
To reset it inside. He's holding on. Boy is not giving up. And that's what I love about the Central Province, even from down south. You see the real heart coming out, especially in
Yes.
fights like this.
Raj
Be-
is not giving up.
Not at all.
Be it the northern, be it the southern, be it whatever. They have this talent. They have
Absolutely,
the talent
absolutely.
They need to fight till unleash.
And remember, we're coming to you live, of course. Nigambo Unleashed 002. Nigambo has seen nothing like it, and it's an amazing fight. Raj stacking up here.
Saif trying to attempt a triangle choke.
Yes.
Definitely not. Raj is not giving up. He's holding on there.
Raj needs to stack up and throw punches.
Absolutely. This is not going to work at this point. He needs to start scoring some points.
Trying for
He
the
needs.
triangle against Saif. And he's
He's in the triangle at the
That's a
moment.
bad
He needs to lock his
position
hands in.
for Raj
Bad
Verma.
position to be in.
Stands up.
Saif needs
He
to
has
get
to
an
pick him up,
angle.
pick
Saif
him
needs
up
to
and
get the
slam him
angle.
at
That's
this
what he's
point.
trying
And
to
he has
do.
he has locked
Oh,
in.
it's
Oh,
tight.
it's a very tight
Saif has locked
triangle.
in.
It's a
Tight,
tight
but do we have
triangle.
enough time? It's almost the end of the round.
10 seconds. He needs to hold on for 10 seconds.
No.
Saif
The
is-
triangles. Raj is safe.
6, 5. I think Raj is going to survive for this
Nice.
round. Oh, yes.
Beautiful reverse. there.
Fantastic work by Raj. Holding on there. Round over. Raj finishes in dominant position, but not enough at the moment. He needs to start landing punches. He needs to make some actual damage in round 3.
Clearly,
The fight is clearly going according to Saif's.
yes,
Absolutely,
Saif
absolutely.
dominated both the rounds, and now Raj has only one round to go. It's either a KO or a submission. Now, round 3 is going to be exciting because
All right, here we go.
Third and
Raj locked
final round.
in. Saif Shan same. Submission versus KO.
You can see Saif Shan channeling his inner John Jones.
Absolutely. Here we go. Round 3.
and Raj is taking the lead
Bit
here.
early off the bat. Raj is not
Raj
hanging
is
around
going-
this time. They're standing up. Oh,
And
that
Saif
was a
has
good
got
one.
landed.
That landed.
That rocked Saif.
That landed. That knocked
That's a
him out.
bad position for Saif too.
Raj
He has gone for the
attempting for a
guillotine.
guillotine.
Raj with the
He's going for the
guillotine on
guillotine.
Saif.
Oh, it's locked in.
That
That
is
is a
not
tight
safe.
guillotine.
That is
That is a
tight.
tight guillotine. He's holding on for
Saif
dear
is
life.
holding on here. He's fighting the hand.
Saif needs to fight the hands.
That is an absolutely tight guillotine there.
Once Raj gets the angle, that's it for Saif.
Raj is
Raj
not giving up.
wrapping his
He's
legs.
holding on.
And
That's
the
it.
hand-
Oh,
Saif has
yes,
saved
he's got
himself.
the mount as well.
escapes.
Saif really knew what to do when the guillotine landed on him.
That was very close.
Oh, he rolled
And
in there.
now
He rolled
Saif
in.
reverses Raj.
Reverse.
We're back to round 2. Same position they started at.
When Saifshan went in, that punch disoriented him. He landed a solid punch in.
To try to take Raj down.
Absolutely, absolutely. But he's back in a dominant position. He has a few seconds to recover as well.
Yeah.
Raj can't stay in this position. He needs to get off.
We clearly see Raj has the dominance in ground and pound.
Absolutely, absolutely.
The grappling exchange in this fight has been absolutely beautiful to watch.
And see, that's a lot of things that I've noticed, especially in the local fight scene, that appreciation of the technique on the ground still needs to grow as well.
Exactly.
This is amazing for
Because,
those who understand.
because even though
Gone are the days where Sri Lankan fighters just throw haymakers and try to finish the fight.
Exactly.
saw, even though Saif had a position for go round and pound, he did not, and now he's going. And now he's going. He's listening to his corner.
Listening to the corner, but has he slowed down slightly?
I mean, it's inevitable when you are
Absolutely.
for 2 rounds.
Absolutely.
Final round.
Yeah.
Raj needs to use his advantage, get out of this, and start landing some punches. He can't stay in this position.
He needs to
He needs to-
knock Saif out.
Yes.
Absolutely. Saif is tired. Saif is tired. I wonder how Raj is doing though.
Raj gave his all with that guillotine.
Saif looks really tired. If Raj is smart, his cardio should have.
At left.
Nice, nice.
And Raj goes for the but
Saif
Raj
sprawled.
He is safe. Raj needs to get up. He
We're
needs to get up.
expecting something
He needs
from
to get
Raj
up.
here.
He needs to get up here.
No, that's
Nice, nice. Raj is doing a fairly good job here. If he can start landing some punches because he's not scoring. Which direction is the ground control going in this round, Adil? What do you think?
I think this round is the ground control is slightly going to Raj
Okay,
because we can clearly see that Saif has
They need to get him
slowed
out.
down a little bit.
absolutely.
And ever since he took that shot from Raj,
Yeah, I think
the
that-
trajectory of this fight has gone to Raj's favor.
That definitely disoriented. You saw him go down and he looked a
Yeah,
bit out
yeah.
at that point.
That was a heavy right hand at the beginning
Exactly,
before
exactly.
Saif went for the takedown,
And
right?
this is all Raj has to do. If he just keeps doing this, raining down those punches, he's got a good shot at this.
But
Yes.
do we have enough time left?
The only thing against Raj now is the time.
Absolutely.
If this were a 5-round fight, it could have been like
I
really.
think it would be a very interesting fight to
Yes.
see.
Yet the
Raj
fight
is
is
not giving up.
indecisive. We don't know who might come up on top.
He needs to stack, and land punches. That's all he needs to do at this point.
I think someone just needs to shout Volkanovski. for Raj to understand.
Just land it. But the ground control is also valuable. Let's not say no.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's maybe Saif's game plan. Full
Yeah.
round, we go ground.
What we've seen from Raj is, despite him getting the top position, he doesn't do anything with it. He
Exactly.
just tries to hold Saif down.
He needs to get up. He needs to go. He's really
Saif
tired.
needs to stand up.
And that's
Knee
the
landing.
there to
Knee
Raj.
landed. Oh, Raj. Nice tackling. What happened?
What
Was it
happened,
Oh, I think a bit of weight landed on his groin.
Okay, that's below the belly.
From what I know, Jiu-Jitsu has knee on the belly, not knee on the groin.
I spent a good couple of years Adil having Kaz's little knee on the belly is go across the groin area. So I'm not
Very
gonna-
pleasant, right?
We clearly saw Raj went for a knee, right?
yeah. And knowing Kaz what happens after, he's like, are you okay? But absolutely not.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Corner saying go in. He's all right. He's all right. Second win.
I mean, for the people who actually felt the knees, like, you know,
they understand.
they understand what it actually feels like. I don't think a normal, a casual viewer understands.
Absolutely.
Only a fighter would know how it feels. Because they have been in the moment.
Raj needs to land this. Oh, there.
two punches
Good
from
punches. That's
Raj.
what he needs to do.
He's trying for the
Raj
takedown
tried to
again.
And he,
Yes,
and he
that's what he
partially
needs
gets it,
to do.
But
But
Saif
reversed
Safe has
it
reversed it.
I
Last
think
2
Raj
seconds.
doesn't need to go for ground.
He doesn't need to do anything at this point.
Man, what a fight has this been.
This
so
was a
far.
fantastic fight. It was a fantastic fight.
A very grappling heavy fight per
Yeah.
se.
Timekeepers
See,
should.
Saif's family also getting involved. And they keep on cheering up Saif here.
Absolutely.
Cheering your fighter up.
Timekeepers in the corner needs to check on the
This
rest
is
of
to
it.
see the passion of these people in this fight, how they support, how they help.
Last few seconds of this fight.
Almost the end of
Almost
the
done.
round.
Good
Safe-
control
Safe
from
is
Raj.
finishing strong.
Very close fight. Very close
Saif
fight.
dominated all 3 rounds.
Done.
We clearly know what the decision is.
How do you think the third round went, to be honest? What do you think there? Because I think the ground control time went more towards Raj, and he did land that.
But still, Saif had more of the advantage when it comes to ground control. Because
One thing which I can say is I'm just extremely happy that I'm not a judge.
Too close counter. I always say we're lucky that we're in combat sports and not in cricket, because one mistake in cricket can cost you a house. Okay.
Witness protection.
Absolutely, Anand.
Let's make some noise for our fighters. What a fantastic bout, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to invite to present the medal to our winner, the third secretary of the Maldives Embassy, Mr. Mohammed Haizoon Hussain. Ladies
Very
and
close one here,
gentlemen,
guys.
Our winner by judges' decision. In the blue corner, Saifshan Abdullah. Let's get Kovind to India for some post-bout excitement.